Hey everyone, welcome back to Machines Visit. But before we begin, here's something most people don't realize. American farmers harvest over 954 million pounds of cherries every single year. Sounds normal, right? But what if I told you the real story behind those cherries is far more intense than you think? Cherries aren't just delicious and irresistible. They're a symbol of summer, packed with nutrition and bursting with sweet flavor. But behind that sweetness lies a fast-paced, high-pressure journey that almost no one talks about. Today, you're going to see what really happens. From vast cherry orchards stretching across the land, where each bright red cherry is harvested not only by hand, but also through powerful modern machines, to advanced processing facilities where these fruits are cleaned, sorted, and transformed into products like rich cherry jam, refreshing cherry juice, and perfectly preserved fresh cherries that still taste like they were just picked. This is a journey of precision, speed, and survival. Now step inside this vibrant and surprisingly intense world of cherries, because once you see it, you won't look at them the same way again. Let's begin. The journey of cherries doesn't actually start at harvest. It begins years earlier, and that's where things get interesting. A cherry tree takes around 4 to 5 years just to mature and produce its first fruit. Years of waiting, care, and uncertainty. Then spring arrives, and suddenly everything changes. The trees burst into delicate white blossoms, creating a peaceful and almost magical scene. But behind this beauty, a critical process is taking place. Bees and wind are constantly at work, pollinating each flower, because without this step, there would be no cherries at all. As summer takes over, the transformation begins. The cherries slowly grow, turning from small green buds into deep red, juicy fruit, ripening day by day until they're ready to be harvested. But here's the question no one really thinks about. When millions of cherries ripen at the same time, how do farmers manage to harvest all of them before they spoil? The answer is more fascinating than you'd expect. On large cherry farms, especially in flat areas, speed becomes everything. And this is where modern machinery completely takes over. It's not just helpful, it's necessary. The first machine may look simple, but it's incredibly powerful. The tree shaker. This machine is attached directly to the trunk or branches of the cherry tree and creates carefully controlled vibrations, strong enough to shake loose only the ripe cherries while protecting the tree itself. Beneath the tree, farmers spread large, soft nets designed to catch every falling cherry without causing damage. Within seconds, thousands of cherries drop at once. Immediately after, they are transferred onto a moving conveyor belt and quickly directed into storage bins. This entire process happens with almost no delay, dramatically increasing harvesting speed, while reducing the need for manual labor. But that's not the only technology involved. Another machine, known as a harvester, moves smoothly through rows of trees, designed specifically for large-scale cherry farms. Equipped with soft brushes or vibrating bars on both sides, it gently interacts with the trees, careful enough to avoid damage, yet effective enough to remove ripe cherries. As it advances through each row, the cherries fall onto an integrated conveyor system inside the machine, where they are transported and collected into storage bins attached at the back. The use of this technology doesn't just save time, it transforms the entire harvesting process. It allows farmers to work faster, cover larger areas, and maintain consistent quality, while reducing human effort and minimizing the risk of damaging the fruit. It also improves efficiency, lowers labor costs, and helps farmers handle the intense pressure of peak harvest season. Even more surprisingly, it contributes to sustainability by reducing waste and optimizing energy use. However, despite all this advanced machinery, there's a twist. Machines aren't always the best option. In smaller cherry orchards or when dealing with premium quality varieties, traditional hand harvesting still plays a crucial role. Unlike machines, hand picking offers unmatched precision and care. This method is especially used for high-value cherries like Bing and Rainier, where even the smallest damage can affect quality. Workers carefully pick each cherry by hand or use small scissors, making sure not to harm the stem or skin. Every single cherry is inspected right there in the orchard to ensure it meets strict quality standards. Once picked, the cherries are placed into soft baskets worn on the harvester's chest, keeping them safe from bruising. When the baskets are filled, they are transferred to small transport vehicles and taken to collection areas, While this method guarantees top-quality fruit, it comes at a cost. It requires significant time, effort, and labor. This is why it's often used in orchards located on hilly terrain where machines simply cannot operate, or when only the highest quality cherries are needed. Here's something even more surprising. Most cherry harvesters are seasonal workers, including both local workers and migrants who travel long distances for this job. And despite how simple it may look, cherry harvesting is extremely demanding. Workers often climb ladders to reach cherries on higher branches, working long hours under pressure. They're usually paid per bin, earning around $10 to $12 per bin, and depending on their speed and endurance, they can make anywhere from $200 to $500 a day. It's tough work that requires patience, strength, and focus, but the potential earnings attract many people each season, playing a vital role in bringing fresh cherries to the market. Once harvested, the journey continues. The cherries are transported to processing facilities, where a highly controlled system ensures they remain fresh and meet quality standards. The first step is cleaning, removing dirt, leaves, and any leftover debris from the harvesting process. The cherries are placed into high-pressure washing systems, where strong water jets clean them thoroughly yet gently, protecting their delicate surface. An integrated conveyor system keeps everything moving smoothly, ensuring even handling without damage. After cleaning, the cherries move to one of the most advanced stages, optical sorting. This modern system uses laser technology and image sensors to analyze each cherry individually, evaluating its color, size, and shape with incredible accuracy. Only cherries that meet strict standards continue forward, while the rest are redirected for other uses like juice or jam production. The selected high-quality cherries are then sent to automated packaging systems, where they are weighed and packed into boxes, usually holding 1 to 2 pounds each. Some are also packed in plastic containers, depending on consumer demand. This entire process is highly efficient, with machines capable of packaging up to 2,000 to 3,000 boxes per hour. Finally, each package is labeled with detailed product information, completing the journey from orchard to market, and just when you think the journey is over, it's actually entering one of its most critical phases. The cherries, now carefully packed, are placed into larger cardboard cartons designed for safe and efficient transportation. These cartons are then systematically arranged in cold storage facilities where temperature control becomes a key to preserving their freshness before they are shipped across the globe to meet the ever-growing demand of consumers. But here's where things take another turn, because not all cherries are destined to be eaten fresh. A significant portion is sent to specialized processing units where they are transformed into one of the most loved products, cherry jam. Inside these facilities, the process begins with another deep cleaning stage. Whole cherries are passed through advanced washing systems to ensure every trace of dirt or impurity is completely removed. Then comes a surprisingly precise operation, the automatic pitting machine. Each cherry is handled with extreme care, ensuring the soft flesh remains intact while the pit is cleanly extracted without crushing the fruit. These pits aren't wasted either. They are sent off for recycling or further industrial use. The pitted cherries are then transferred into massive industrial cooking vats, where heat and time become everything. At temperatures ranging between 80 to 100 degrees Celsius, the cherries are slowly cooked down while sugar is added, enhancing both sweetness and texture. A continuous stirring system keeps the mixture moving at all times, preventing burning and ensuring a perfectly smooth, thick consistency. What starts as fresh fruit gradually transforms into rich, flavorful jam. From here, speed and precision take over once again. The hot jam is immediately poured into glass jars using automated filling systems that measure each portion with exact accuracy. Lids are sealed tightly to prevent any air from entering, maintaining freshness and safety. The jars then undergo sterilization to meet strict hygiene standards before being rapidly cooled using high-pressure water spray systems. This entire process is incredibly efficient, allowing factories to produce up to 10,000 jars every single hour, an astonishing scale of production. Afterward, each jar is labeled with essential information such as origin, ingredients, and expiration date before being moved into storage, ready to be distributed to supermarkets or exported worldwide. This process doesn't just preserve cherries. It transforms them into a high-quality product that can be enjoyed long after the harvest season ends. But the story doesn't stop at production. Cherries also play a powerful role in the economy. Every year, the cherry industry contributes over $900 million through exports and related products, making it a major agricultural force. The United States stands among the top cherry producers in the world, with states like Washington, California, and Oregon leading the charge. Yet beyond economics, cherries carry deep cultural significance as well. One of the most iconic celebrations is the Cherry Festival held in Traverse City, Michigan, often called the cherry capital of the world. This vibrant event attracts hundreds of thousands of visitors annually, offering everything from delicious cherry pies to cultural experiences that showcase the region's identity. It's proof that cherries are more than just fruit. They're a symbol that connects agriculture, tradition, and tourism. But rewind the process once more, because the story truly begins in the soil. In spring, farmers start by preparing the land, plowing and loosening the soil to ensure proper aeration and nutrient distribution. Organic fertilizers are added, and soil pH levels are carefully monitored to create the perfect environment for cherry trees. Once ready, selected cherry saplings, often grafted from premium varieties, are planted to ensure both high-quality fruit and resistance to disease. As the trees grow, they are consistently nourished through modern irrigation systems that deliver water efficiently and precisely. After 3 to 5 years, the trees finally bloom, marking the beginning of their productive life. At this stage, farmers carefully prune the branches to improve airflow and sunlight exposure, ensuring optimal growing conditions for cherries. And now, you've seen the full picture, from soil to harvest, from machine to market, from fresh fruit to processed products. It's a journey driven by technology, human effort, and perfect timing. Every cherry you see carries with it not just sweetness, but a story of precision, care, and relentless work behind the scenes. Thanks for joining me on this incredible journey. If something surprised you, or if you have thoughts to share, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe, because there's always another story waiting to be uncovered in the world of agriculture. Until next time, goodbye.